Number 1. Enabling the on-screen keyboard feature. Go to Settings. Find and click on Accessibility. Click on Keyboard. Turn on Accessibility Keyboard. On-screen keyboard appears. Before we move on, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more content. The next thing we are learning is the 2 ways to take a screenshot. On a MacBook. Option 1. Command key plus Shift key plus 3. Screenshot taken. Screenshot appears on the down right side of the screen. You can right-click to either save to documents, or desktop, or use in a mail, or app, or edit it. You can also swipe it to the right, which automatically saves it to your desktop. Now to the second way of taking a screenshot. This way allows one to take a particular section of the screen, instead of capturing the whole screen. In other words, it allows one to crop the side they need. Hold and drag to until you are done selecting the area you need and release. Screenshot of selected area taken. Voila! You know the 2 ways of taking a screenshot now. The next trick we're learning is how to easily trash a file and easily restore it back to where it was from bin. We use the same command in bin to restore it. On to the next. We can easily rename a selected file using our keyboard. Use the command key plus return key. Type the file name you want and press enter. So simple, right? Did you know you can rename 2 or more files at once using a format rename feature? Here is how to. First, select the files you would like to rename. Right-click and click on Rename. A pop-up box comes up. Select format in the first box, and for custom format, type the name you want. Since it's name and index selected, it is using name and numbers. Select the number you want it to start from and click on Rename. Explore the other options to see what they do. Files renamed easily instead of doing them one by one. Now let's learn how to easily convert images from one format to another. Example is from .jpeg to PNG. Select the file you would like to convert and right-click. Click on Quick Actions and select Convert Image. Choose the format you want and then click on Convert. File successfully converted. We can merge files into a PDF or change a file to a PDF. Select the file and then right-click. Go to Quick Actions and select Create PDF. There you go, your PDF is ready. You can open Finder easily using Command plus F. Lastly, use Spotlight Search to easily find your apps, as well as easily perform quick calculations, and even quickly convert from one currency to the other and look up anything on the internet. Did you learn something new? Did you already know some? Let me know in the comments section which ones. Anything you want to learn, comment as well. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share for more. Love all, hate none, and peace out.